Yeah.
Dude, whoa, big blowtail.
Go. Where are you going though?
Well, I'm starting straight out and I'm just gonna probably end up going over there because that left looks really fun.
All right. We work for her. Bro, I did not have time to film that, but I just spilt my coffee on 3 hard drives, my brand new phone, and my MacBook. Well, it's working. Keyboard still works. That may have been the closest call you could possibly ever have. Like, I am having to... Oh no, that's not good. It just turned off. It just turned on and then turned right back off. I need to move everything on the computer off, like right now. No, it's not working. It's bad. This is really bad. Hey Maddie, I think I just ruined my computer. I just put coffee on it and it's not working.
I literally feel like we should put it in rice. Or pour rice across the top of it maybe.
You need 25 for yourself? The boys are here, wedding gang.
Gigantic. They're...
Yo.
He's just like running.
We found a couple attendees at the wedding. Ladies, how's it going? My guitars, man. Are you ready?
Eating like kings on the back of the rig.
I think there's pasta in it.
We're gonna give it some juice. Now we're gonna fire it up. Uh-oh. It's not even turning on now.
Boom, look at that.
Shout out to Publix, got us dialed on the reusable bags. We have officially launched the YouTube channel. People are watching right now and the feedback is insane. Thank you guys so much. Here it is, got our first video up and running. Already got 30 subscribers. We launched the YouTube channel and you die. Tries to feed the fish, blows up the food all across the office. This ball of hair is from the stairs with her hands. Okay, Maddie is getting the plug with Hyperflex wetsuits. She's got a wetsuit sponsor. This is huge.
These are just new packaging, same exact. So eventually everything's gonna look like that.
All right, Vita Coco just came through, got us dialed with the new packaging, which is pretty sick. And they also bought out Runa, which is an organic energy drink. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Got the white/black box completely decked out. All right, it's 8 a.m. I'm trying to get ready for the day, and this is the reality of my life. And I blew up vitamin D3 all over the entire kitchen. So this is the signed paperwork?
Yes.
It's done? That is a celebratory moment. High five. Ooh. Yeah! Oh, but you're gonna break it.
Maybe.
Lucy, what did you do? Did you eat the cupcakes in the trash can?
Trying the Runa Mango clean energy drink. Let's see.
The
Fully
mango.
alive. It's nice and clean. It feels kind of tastes like liquid water.
Tastes like liquid water.
Ireland,
You got the booters in the hooder?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Looking good, brother. All right, we in here. We got the shred doctor.
Relax.
Crab pizza is the
It is literally in the low 40s out here, and it feels like we're in Colorado. Boom, boom, boom. Tortelliner. It's 38 degrees right now in Indy Atlantic. You guys want to go for a ride? Go see some manatees?
Heal might come today. The healer might come and take. The healer might come and take away the pain. He might come and take it all away. The healer might bring the rain. The healer might leave you in a hurricane.